Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is very special to me, and this is not one of my regular educational videos, but the intent of this video is also to educate people who have pets in their homes. I'm sharing my experience. I'm not a vet, so मैं अपना सब experience share करूँगी आप लोग के साथ और जो चीज़ें मैंने डॉक्टर से डिस्कस की उसके बारे में आपको बताऊँगी. So in this video, I'll be talking about tick fever in dogs. बहुत normal language में I'll be telling you, and I would request you to please share it with people around you, क्योंकि कई बार हम ना समझ नहीं पाते हैं because these creatures they cannot tell you how much pain they are into, they cannot speak to you. You just have to be vigilant enough to understand that your pet is in pain, that pet is having some problem, some trouble. So I'll be sharing my experience and the diagnosis of the doctor and the test that he's gone through. So I have this pet who's 1.5 year old Labrador. What happened? 4-5 दिन पहले I realized that he was not eating his meal. He skipped one of his meal. I took that very lightly. कि ठीक है, it's weather change. Sometimes he doesn't want to eat. It's okay. He didn't eat. He skipped one meal. Then he skipped the second meal also. He didn't eat the second meal. That was the time when I got a little worried, and I had a discussion with a couple of people about this. Ki why is not eating? Is it because of the weather or what reason can it be? So I was told that maybe you not have given him the deworming, medication. Sometimes that can be one of the reasons. I realized, okay, fine, that can be one of the reasons. I'll do is I'll give him deworming. So I did his deworming. I gave him the medication. बहुत मुश्किल से with egg he had those. Okay. With this, it is 1.5 days passed. Deworming के बाद भी fourth meal again he didn't eat. So that was the time when I really got worried. What can be the reason why he's not eating? अभी भी deworming भी हो गई है. He's not normal. He was not playing. He was not doing his regular activities that he used to do. So that was the time when I realized that something is wrong with him. अभी तक I had no clue it can be something serious, right? So I was, playing with him. I was trying to be with him and sitting with him. I realized he is having high fever, and with high fever I mean really high fever. And that was the time when I realized that we should take him to the vet immediately. So we went to see a vet. It was Sunday, so we went to visit the vet, and to my shock and to my, what I should say, I sensed it was high fever, but it was as high as 106 degree Fahrenheit. A normal fever जो होता है dogs में, it is around 102 degree, which is a normal fever. Rusty, my dog, he was having 106 Fahrenheit. So the doctor immediately called for certain tests. So doctor collected the blood sample for CBC and blood parasite and all those tests. I'm actually having the copies here with me. And she gave me some medication to lower down the fever. I said, okay. By the time the doctor was telling कि ठीक है, it's normal, sometimes it happens and I have to rule out certain things. That is why we've taken the blood samples. So this is what I'm going to talk about today. So what can be the cause of these tick fevers? It is basically people tend to say कि अरे हम तो बहुत साफ सुथरा रखते हैं, बहुत नहलाते हैं और टिक्स नहीं है. जरूरी नहीं है आपके डॉग को टिक्स होंगे तभी उसको ये फीवर होगा. ये कहीं बाहर से भी द टिक कैन कम एंड बाइट. जो इन्फेक्टेड टिक है अगर वो बाइट करता है डॉग को तो दिस फीवर कैन स्टार्ट. और बेसिकली टिक से होता है, तो यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल विद द हाइजीन एंड एवरीथिंग ऑफ योर डॉग. Though my dog does not have ticks, believe me, he does not have ticks, but you just never know. But the doctor told me that it is because of a tick bite only the tick fever happens. So what are the symptoms? As I told you, it was high fever, loss of appetite, he was not eating anything, stiff joints, very tough for him to, he was literally shivering when he was walking. So normal movement nahi tha, lethargy, he was not playing at all. He was all, you know, he just lied down the entire day. He's not doing anything. My dog did not have symptoms of vomiting and diarrhea, thankfully. This did not happen, but in some dogs, vomiting and diarrhea can be one of the symptoms also. So when I talk about these symptoms, I'm not saying कि सारे symptoms होने जरूरी हैं. Even the few can tell you or can indicate that the dog is suffering from tick fever, right? So we went to the prevention is best prevention is to take your dog to the vet immediately you realize that the dog is having high fever. So these tests were done as I was telling you in the beginning. So the reports came the other day and the doctor asked me to bring him immediately to the clinic. I said, what has happened? She said कि platelet count is low. So this is the indication. जब हम पूरा CBC करते हैं, blood कलेक्ट करते हैं, ब्लड चेक करते हैं, तो पूरा वो जब चेक करते हैं तो दे रियलाइज कि the platelet count is really low. So ideal platelet count should have been between 2 lakh to 6 lakhs. With him it was 1.5 lakhs, 150 lakhs, right? 1.5, which is a little low. 50,000 less than the actual platelet count that should be there. अब ये सब हुआ, बाकी एवरीथिंग वाज नॉर्मल, बाकी द एंटायर रिपोर्ट वाज नॉर्मल. तो प्लेटलेट की वजह से शी स्टार्टेड गिविंग हिम एंटीबायोटिक्स और ड्रिप स्टार्टेड क्योंकि ही वाज नॉट ईटिंग एनीथिंग बाय देन. उसके बाद द डॉक्टर एडवाइज क्योंकि ये इमीडिएट करना ज़रूरी था, बट द सेम टाइम शी सेड शी विल बी गोइंग फॉर अ blood parasite test also, which is PCR basically they call it. और उसमें क्या होता है, they check what kind of parasite or what kind of the uh, the the virus, maybe I can tell you in the layman, I'll tell you 4-5 तरह के होते हैं कि इसमें से कौन सा पैरासाइट हो सकता है जिसकी वजह से इसको ये फीवर हो रहा है. तो there are around 1 2 3 4 5 parasitic things that are checked, but in Rusty's case it was just one that was found. Four were negative. So this was the PCR test that was done. उसके साथ साथ he is getting the drip. It's a 6 times course, morning evening. So he's getting that also. Luckily he started eating, not proper feed, but he's taking chicken and eggs. So एक और चीज़ यहाँ पे मैं बोलूँगी, do not give your dogs raw egg. This was a mistake I did. Please don't do it. Doctor strictly told me to give him boiled eggs. Never give your pet raw eggs like that. उसके अलावा just be with your dog. Just be very, trying to be close as possible to him. Talk to him because it takes time. It's almost 5 days now and he's still not very fine, but yes, I would say he's kind of recovered. He's not having any fever now. और अभी बट इल टेक टाइम. अभी डॉक्टर ने मुझे बोला है कि आज शाम को द कोर्स वुड, बाय द टाइम आई अपलोड दिस वीडियो, द कोर्स वुड बी कंप्लीट. जो इसको ड्रिप का जो कोर्स है वो कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. सीवियर केसेस में डॉक्टर्स अपने पास रखते हैं, लेकिन लकीली हम अपने साथ रख सकते थे रस्टी को. उसको सुबह शाम में डॉक्टर को दिखाया, जाकर ड्रिप लगवाइए. बट अभी इसका ओरल मेडिकेशन स्टार्ट होगा. तो दिस एंटायर प्रोसेस, ये एंटायर ट्रीटमेंट टेक्स अराउंड गुड 15-20 days. So do not break the treatment also. Very strictly the doctor said कि treatment complete करना है. Just be very much nice to your dog at this time. Not at this time, generally you have to be really nice, but especially when he's not well, because he cannot speak. He just cannot speak. You cannot believe what I've gone through in these days when he was not fine and he was not doing anything that was normal. It made me like really sad. It really broke my heart ki you feel helpless. You really feel helpless because you don't know what he must be going through. So do take very good care of your dogs, very good care of your pets, whatever pet you have, because they cannot speak, they cannot tell you what they're going through. At the same time, just be very cautious about their hygiene and otherwise doctor would be telling each and everything, so I'm not getting into the details of the products that you should use for, you know, to take away the ticks. The one thing that I've read and I've discussed with the doctor is, which is a home remedy again, you can use apple cider vinegar when you are making them bathe. उस पानी में मिला सकते हो आप, तो उससे भी टिक्स दूर रहती हैं डॉग से. एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो गिव अ लिटिल हाफ cider vinegar in half water, added to their meal also occasionally, so that also is a prevention against the ticks. ये डॉक्टर से मैंने बात की है, डॉक्टर ने मुझे बोला है. So hygiene is very important, guys, and I hope this would help somebody. Like, I was helpless just to identify that the dog is not fine and it needs immediate care, because believe me, doctor told me अगर हम थोड़ा और ignorant होते तो it could have been fatal for my pet. But thankfully we got that in time. We went to the doctor on time. So ignore do not ignore, they are family members. Just be very, very cautious and be very vigilant with the activities of your pets. So that's it for the video today. Thank you, and I would want you to share it with as many people as you can, जिनको बहुत नॉर्मल लैंग्वेज में समझना है कि ये क्या है टिक फीवर, so that we can save our extended family members. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.